Let me ask you a question. Have you ever looked at someone else's page and thought, why are they growing, but I am not? Maybe you are posting consistently, maybe you are learning, but somehow people don't see notice you. The truth is, it is not always because your content is bad. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 of those mistakes and most importantly, how you can fix them. If you are new here, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm Faith Miracle Rabo, and I help professional founders and experts build an amazing and profitable online brand, attract clients, and sign in global opportunities. And if this is what you want, kindly subscribe, like. I promise you, you will love it right here. Let's dive into the lessons. Mistake number 1, you are trying to talk to everybody. I made the same mistake while building my online brand in 2023. I was speaking to everyone. Name it, everyone. And so I couldn't sign in that big clients I wanted to. But early this year, when I focused on just one particular audience, which is helping professional and founders, I begin to attract opportunities and get conversation from founders just because I have tabled down my audience, narrowed down my audience, and I don't speak or talk to everyone anymore. So stop trying to talk to everyone in your content. When you talk to everyone, your message becomes so broad. So instead, ask yourself, who do I really want to help? For example, personally, I focus on founders, professionals, and experts, attract clients, build their founder brand, and increase their revenue. When you are clear about who you help, your content become relevant because specific message attracts specific people. That is, people who really want your services. Mistake 2, you post without purpose. Many people post because they feel they have to. But before you create any content, ask yourself, what should this content achieve? Should it teach something? Should it build trust? Should it position my brand? Should it make my audience understand me better? Should it generate leaks or increase conversation? Every post should have a purpose. Content without direction produces no results. Mistake 3, you are not solving real problem. People don't follow content because it is clever. People follow you because your content produces tangible results. That is, you help them solve a particular problem, not generic problem, but content that speak to them, that make them understand specific issues. Think about your audience. What keep them awake in the middle of the night? What questions do they keep asking? What mistakes are they making? Create content that answer those questions. When people feel understood, they keep coming back. Mistake 4, you give up too quickly. Content creation is not a get rich quick syndrome. I started in 2023, and in that 2023, by the special grace of God, I've attracted amazing opportunity, but still yet I am still growing. I've not gotten that big milestone opportunity that enable me live the life of my dream. But to the glory of God, I've attracted amazing opportunity. I've attracted international opportunity, global opportunity. And I am still growing. Despite that, I'm still learning. I'm still becoming my best version. So content creation is not a game of you start today and within 3 months you start getting the money. No, I do tell people that yes, grace differs. You might be favored and within 3 months you sign in that big client that pays you $2,000, $1,000 or above. Fine, beautiful. That is your grace working for you. But if you don't get that big milestone you aim for, that shouldn't mean you should stop. Keep showing up. Keep building, keep learning, keep becoming your best version, keep increasing your skill. I have also experienced it sometimes. Sometimes I post a video and it gets few views. Even here on YouTube, I am still growing. But that doesn't mean I should give up. No, I can't give up. I know I am building. My consistent effort will compound one day and I will begin to earn. Sometimes videos can get few views, but that shouldn't mean you should stop. It is easier to think maybe this is not working, let me do something else. Just as I tell my students, even that other thing you intend to do, you still need time. Time to make it work. You still need to work hard and work smart. You still need to do the work involving needs while staying intentional and patient with the process. Building a brand is not about overnight success or posting one post a day. It is about showing up consistently with values. Mistake number five, you are waiting to be perfect. And this is one thing I love about myself. I did it maybe in my early stage, or I can't even remember. I don't wait for perfection, because even the best post or the best video that might go viral or bring in that client that you need might even be the post or the video that is not to you, doesn't look professional. I signed in my first international client when I wasn't even well positioned. Yeah, I wasn't well positioned, but I signed my first international clients all the way from Canada doing business with me, because of my content quality, not because of my appearance, because my branding then was poor. Then I don't have this studio, I don't have this bright lighting. But she chose to do business with me because of the values I create, the content I create being valuable. So sometimes don't overlook your videos. If it is fine, post it. If it is not fine, post it. If the content is okay or not okay in your eye, post it, because that one video can be the one that will change your story and bring in that big client you need. Don't wait for perfection. However, keep increasing your crafts as you build online, because online building is about learning continuously. You get to learn, you get to increase in value, increase in your thinking ability, increase in knowledge, because the more you grow, the more you attract more amazing benefits, the more you attract high paying clients, the more you are well positioned, the more you attract global opportunities and increase your lifestyle, your revenue, and everything. So keep learning and keep growing, because the truth is progress comes before perfection. Your first video or your first post won't be the best, but if you don't create them or publish the video, you won't improve in your crafts. The people who grow are usually the people who keep learning and showing up as they grow and improve. So let's quickly recap the five mistakes. Number one, trying to speak to everyone. Number two, posting without a purpose. Number three, not showing real problems. Number four, giving up too quickly. Number five, waiting for perfection. If you can avoid these five mistakes, you will give yourself a better chance of improving in yourself and attracting amazing clients and global opportunities. If this video helped you, I did love you to subscribe and become part of my community, Rise and Brand community. Every week, I share practical strategy to help you become visible and trusted as you build your brand, attract clients, get more leads, and increase your revenue. Now tell me in the comment section, which of these five mistakes have you been making? Let's learn and grow together. Rise and Brand, together we rise, together we grow. Together we work in favor, rise in unity, and grow globally. Bye bye, and see you in my next lesson.